Hello, welcome to the English Easy Practice course Conversations Practices. Now, you will listen to some daily English conversations in different places and situations. Thus, you will learn vocabulary and improve your English listening and speaking skills. Let's get started. Hey there, what can I get for you today?
Hi, I would like to order 2 takeout drinks. First, can I have an extra large iced coffee?
Sure thing.
What are your milk options?
We have several milk options. We have regular milk, skim milk, fat-free milk, almond milk, soy milk, and oat milk.
Which option is the healthiest?
It's tough to say. It really depends on your individual needs.
Well, I am trying to lose weight.
Then I would recommend with skim milk or fat-free milk.
Okay, I will take skim milk, please.
No problem. What would you like for your second drink?
I would like a medium iced vanilla latte.
Would you like skim milk in this drink too?
No thanks. This drink is for my colleague. Regular milk will be fine.
Will there be anything else for you today?
No, just those 2 drinks. What's my total?
After taxes, your total comes to $11.13.
I would like to pay by credit card. Here you go.
Do you also have a points card?
Hello, are you enjoying the story? Please give us a like. Thank you.
Yes, but it is in my other purse.
No worries. You can just tell me your phone number and I will be able to add the points to your account.
In that case, my phone number is 501-222-7363.
Great, the points have been added. Here's your card back. Your drinks will be ready in a few minutes on the counter to your left.
Thank you so much.
Have a great day.
You too.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to receive more like it in the future. Hello, how can I help you?
Hey, my girlfriend and I are trying to decide which movie to watch tonight.
Well, our theater is currently showing 7 different movies. What kind of genres are you interested in?
He really wants to see a comedy, but I don't like funny movies. I prefer romance and action.
I like action, but I hate romance movies. They're very boring.
What about an animated movie?
Maybe. Can you tell us more about it?
Well, the animated movie is about animals that can dance and sing.
Isn't that a movie for kids?
Yes, it is.
We aren't interested in movies for kids. We want to watch something more mature.
What about a horror movie?
Maybe. What is the horror movie about?
It's about zombies.
Is there a lot of action?
Yes, it's a very exciting and thrilling film. There's a lot of action, but I should warn you, there is also a little bit of romance in the movie.
Really? Romance in a zombie movie?
Yes, in fact, the romance is between a man and a zombie.
That sounds hilarious. We'll take 2 tickets, please.
You can practice English whenever and wherever you want. Just listen to our short stories and answer the easy question out loud. You will improve your listening and speaking skills fast.